Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to be creating all this sketch assignment. So to create the first one and start a new part file. And I forgot to tell you, hopefully you figured it out. This sketch are in inches, but if you made them in millimeter, that's still fine as well. But they are in inch. So on the front plane, I'm going to start a sketch. Let me move my sketch plane over here so you see. To make this, all we can do is just click a four-corner rectangle, and draw something like that. Then add your dimension. A 7. And add the dimension here, which is a 6. To make the next one, start a new part file. That's how you create the first one. The second one, I'll start another part file. And on my front plane, I'll start a sketch and move it over here. We can use the line tool to create this one. So we'll select the line. Just draw our line. We'll draw the shape first. So you track it, draw the shape. Once you have your shape, and because we are tracking it, SolidWorks automatically add those relations. So the next thing we have to do now is just add our dimension, which is 8. And this is 3. And this is 3. And that line is 6. And that is how we create the second one. And for the last one, again, I'm going to start a new part file. And I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane. And this, we can use the slot tool. So we can use the straight slot. So start at the first point, draw the second one, drag it out. So until we have something like that. For our dimension, add a dimension to this, which is 7. And for the next one, another dimension to those two lines, from this line to that line, which is 5. And that is how we create this 3 sketch. Hopefully you were able to make it, and don't worry. And even if you struggle with it, don't worry. But all you have to do is keep practicing and you'll get better at it. And as we go on in this lecture, some of this stuff will be more clear as we go on. Thank you. And even before I go, so let me close this out. One thing we haven't mentioned is anytime you create your sketch and your sketch is done, to accept your sketch, all you have to do is click accept over here. And you've created that sketch, and now you can turn that sketch into something like an extrude or any feature that that sketch can be made from. So in this case, we can turn this into an extrude. So if I click an extrude, select that sketch, I can extrude it. And we'll cover this later on just to show you things you can do with the sketch. And that is how it works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.